Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm showing you guys a brand new stock that I'm finally adding to my portfolio. What if I told you that there's a stock out there that ever since the pandemic, this stock has been on the boom. I mean, skyrocketed ever since the pandemic. They had no problems making profit during the pandemic. And what if I tell you that same stock just increased their dividends by 7%? Yes, you guys know I love my dividends. This stock just increased their dividends by 7% on their last dividend payment. And what if I told you that the same exact stock is on sale right now? This company is amazing. I'm finally going to be adding them to my portfolio. I talked about them on my channel one time, but the price was a little oversold and I'm finally catching it on sale. I'm going to give you guys exactly what stock this is coming up. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 each. With those 2 free stocks, you can keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. Also, I left a link down to Coinbase down in the description. That is by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But enough talking, let me go ahead and show you guys what stock I'm finally adding to my portfolio. Let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome back, dreamers. The stock that I'm adding to my portfolio is WD-40. That's right, guys. I talked about them once on my channel, and I know you guys are wondering, why did WD-40, why did they stock explode during the pandemic? Well, it has to do with the demand of bicycles. WD-40 is one of the best lubricants out there for all mechanics, any household repairs. But when it comes to bicycles, bicycles has been sold out across the nation in every single store I went to. In fact, if you go to Walmart right now or Target, it'll be a very small selection of bikes that you could choose from. But when you're looking at premium bikes, they're sold out across the nation. In fact, I went to a store the other day to pick up a Trek bike, and they said if I was to order it today, I won't get it until next year. That's how far back they are on just based off of the demand of bikes. So WD-40, the company itself, it makes more than just oil, but this is by far the best product, the WD-40 lubricant. But let me go ahead and pull up the charts for you guys so I can show you, and I'm going to show you how much they increased their dividends by and how this company is on sale right now and how I'm planning on making a ton of money from investing into WD-40. So let's go ahead and pull up those charts. Here we are on my Robinhood account. WD-40 ticker symbol is WDFC. Right now they're at $296.70. I'm planning on picking up 1 share when the market opens tomorrow morning. If we take a look at the year, ever since the pandemic happened about a year ago, WD-40 has been on the incline. It is up 73.62% in the last year alone, guys. That is amazing. That is amazing gains. Usually the stock market goes up anywhere from 6 to 8% every single year, but WD-40 is up 73% in just a year. So when I said that I'm finding this stock on sale, is that over the last month, they finally had a pullback 10.42%. I know I talked about this company about 2 months ago, and that I valued WD-40 as a great stock, but it was a little bit overpriced. It cost too much for me. One time it got all the way up to $332. But over the last month, since it is down 10.42%, I see this might be my buying opportunity to get in on WD-40. And with them increasing their dividends on their last dividend payment up 7%, which I'm gonna show you in just a second on WD-40, with them increasing their dividends, that shows me that they're making so much money that they're able to pay out their investors a larger sum of dividends just from investing into that company. And then they have beat their expectations on their earnings 2 earnings ago. They beat their expectations on their earnings last earnings ago. And now that their expectations is coming up pretty soon, with them paying out their hefty dividend, I expect them to beat the expectations on their earnings on the next upcoming report in a couple of weeks. So with WD-40 increasing their dividends, their dividend yield was 0.88%. I think you was getting outpaid I think he was getting paid out 62 cents per share. But with WD-40 increasing 73% over the year and bikes still being on a back order for over a year. If you used to order today, you want to get a bike into next year, with them still being out, I could see WD-40 continue to rise at least 6 to 7% this year as well, guys. That's all I'm shooting for. I'm not trying to make a get rich quick scheme. 6 to 7% every single year on a great company that is increasing their dividends is pretty good to me. So let me show you guys exactly the news from them increasing their dividends. All right, so here we are on the news on March 16, 2021. WD-40 announced that its board of directors declared on Tuesday, March 16, 2021, a quarterly dividend of 72 cents per share, reflecting an increase of more than 7% compared to its previous quarter dividends. So if we scroll down, you guys can see that they was paying out 67 cents per quarter to their investors, 67 cents again, 67 cents again, and now they're paying out 72 cents with the increase of over 7% on their dividends, guys. So that is amazing. So let me show you guys exactly my strategy on how I plan to invest into WD-40. Either I'm going to buy a share as soon as it's open, or I'm about to show you guys my technical analysis, do an option call trade on WD-40, make a little bit more money from that, and hopefully if I swing trade this right on an option call, I'll be able to pick up 2 shares instead of 1. Let me know down in the comment section after you watch my technical analysis right quick. Let me know down in the comment section which one should I do. Should I go ahead and buy it when the market open, or should I follow my technical analysis and do an option trade on WD-40? Let me know down in the comment section. So let's go ahead and dive into my technical analysis right now. All right, YouTube, here we are over on TradingView. This is ticker symbol WDFC. So let me go ahead and pull out the Fibonacci sequence right quick so we could get a quick market analysis on it. Fibonacci retracements, we don't want to go all the way from there to here. All right, so as you guys can see, it's not inside the golden zone. That's why I like to buy inside the golden zone. That's why I'm starting to get hesitant. So you guys are seeing my process. I'm starting to get hesitant about buying in on market open. But what I do see right here that's making me want to take a swing trade is that WDFC has had they pullback. But when we're looking at the MACD down here, let's scoot over, let's zoom in just a little bit more. Bam. All right, when we're looking at the MACD right here, it has not yet crossed. It has not yet crossed right here on the MACD. All right, so when we're looking at the MACD right here, it has not yet crossed. So when the MACD do cross and start to show some green bars, when the MACD line is the blue line, the orange line is the signal line. When the blue line crosses the orange line, it starts the uptrend. It does say that's oversold right here on the RSI. So once it does cross, and if it crosses above the green EMA line right here, I'm going to take a swing trade. It's going to be an option call on it, and I'm going to try to make enough money to where I could buy 2 shares of WD-40 instead of 1. So when market open tomorrow, if it opens low like 285, if it pulls back to 285, I might pick up a share. But if it trades sideways and stays above the green EMA and the MACD crosses, this is my MACD crossover strategy. I highly suggest that you guys go watch that video. I've made a ton of money using the MACD crossover strategy. It's no joke. I'm going to keep referencing it. So I highly suggest that you guys go watch that video. I'm going to link it right here. Go watch that video. All right, so when the MACD crossover strategy, once it happens and it stays above the green EMA, I'm going to do an option call. But if it pulls back and it crosses over before, I'll buy that market open. We'll see. You guys let me know down in the comment section. But this is the MACD crossover strategy, and paired with the Fibonacci retracement strategy. So that's that. And there we go, dreamers. That is my technical analysis on WD-40. If you want to see me do technical analysis like that all the time, in fact, I did one on AMD and I put it in the Discord. Join the Patreon. I do technical analysis like this all the time. Right now, we're currently up on my AMD call option after we did the technical analysis, and I posted it inside the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, make sure you join the Patreon link down in the comment section. But yeah, guys, let me know which one should I do. Let me know quick now, don't wait all day. Let me know, should I go ahead and buy WD-40 when the market opens, or should I wait for the technical analysis to play out and do an option call on that so I can hopefully pick up 2 shares of WD-40. I think they're gonna have a pretty good earnings report. Otherwise, they would have not have paid out that large sum of dividends to their investors. But that's all I have for you guys today. And I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.